So, okay, so today is Ayurveda Day, and I wish you
Yeah.
very good health and good body and relief from this pandemic for the whole world.
Mm,
So I just prayed that this corona should finish.
yeah.
Right, yeah. So, so about how to protect yourself, and today is World Ayurveda Day. So we just worshipped Lord Dhanvantri, and Dhanvantri, as I told you in the class, also we recognize him with the Amrit Kalash, Amrit in his hand. Doctor will be carrying nectar for a long and healthy life. So he will be holding the pot of medicine in his hand, right? So that's how we recognize him. That these all are symbols to give us an idea and to give us an imagination, right? So we worship for this pandemic to end and worship for health of everybody through nature, through as natural means. So mask. So use cotton mask as much as possible. This kind of masks we are using, and wash them. So because disposable masks are not good for environment, so you can just see my mask is very nice one. Like this. Even sometimes I even do not tie it. I just put it under my ears and that's it. So it's very comfortable, and I just can just hang it on my uh, yeah, it's like this. So you just hang it from here, and from here you can just tight it as much as you want. If you don't want to tie, you can tie, but sometimes I just leave it like this also when I'm driving. So you can use cotton masks, and you need to wash it every time. Do not use, sometimes we think that we will pick up the same, put same, we will pick up and keep it back and then use same, right? So it's best when you are done. So take the washed mask and use the washed mask and put in the laundry, the rest ones, right? So breastfeed, but take good respiratory hygiene along with other mandatory precautions. By chance, if a woman is positive, so if you think that she cannot feed the baby, no, in the milk, virus will not be there, right? So you just can take care of that. You do not sneeze on the baby, and you just do not. So when you are breastfeeding, so it's better to cover up the baby or put nicely the mask, wash your hands properly, and put on new clothes, right? So every time you are going to pick up the baby, put on washed clothes, wash your hands, and take the precaution, put the face shield if you want to, right? And cover the baby properly. So that way you can feed the, that is no problem. Then the diet during this time, the diet, you have to be very, very careful about the diet. Healthy, fresh and healthy food, right? So these are the precautions we need to take for to prevent the infection from entering us. So following Sadavrita means good social behavior, moral hygiene. So we in the class, all of you have we talked about Sadavrita. Sada means good, Vrita means behavior. So good behavior mentally, socially, emotionally, right? So all kind of good behavior which is written in Ayurveda, we need to follow. So this was the precautions, how to protect yourself from the current situation. So these are the best ways, that you eat healthy food, you keep hygiene, you practice good respiratory habits, right? And social distancing, right? Then we will talk about our immune system. So these are the few things which were coming to the mind that you need the answers. How to improve now? This was the how to protect, but now how to improve your immunity, right? You must be listening to so many. This is a consumer. This word these days is a consumer. Everything, every new thing, and there is a business opportunity. They make it a business opportunity, right? So nowadays you will be very surprised to see even the bread in India. I saw the bread, immunity bread is everything. They are like making it a business opportunity. Everything you pick up and it is for immunity. If there will be written immunity, well, this is a new marketing word. So okay, pick up they say that from the distress make a sale, any kind of distress and make a sale, make it a selling point. So everywhere, even the milk. So I was reading somewhere, so they are writing our milk is for good immunity. Why? So we are feeding our cows the herbs. It's like, oh my God. So it's like a complete nonsense they are doing these days. For everything, they make a business opportunity, right? So, but anyway, immunity does not um, become better like this, that you just had a shot of something and your immunity is good. It does not happen like this. In Ayurveda, we know. In modern medicine, they might be thinking other way. In Ayurveda, we have our clear philosophy that food will go to the rasa, then rakta, then mansa, meda, asti, maja, shukra, and then it will give you ojas, which is the immunity, which gives you a good health and a right. So it has to go like this. It will not happen like a shot and just directly you just boosted something, right? So certain things will of course go to the ojas directly also, but it takes time. It needs good habits, right? So body does not respond to like these type of things. So best way to protect is to keep our doshas in healthy state, so no infection can happen. First, that you remain balanced. See, in Ayurveda, we are not focusing too much on the in this kind of immunization, vaccines, and all those things, because we feel that if five people are there, suppose five people are there, and I'm sneezing, only one will get infected, right? So maybe four will not get infected. Why? Because this person was having some kind of imbalance in the body. That's why the opportunistic bacteria, viruses will catch him, right? So in Ayurveda, we say that if we are strong, nobody can invade us, right? Isn't it? So we say that first check your dosha, that there should not be any kind of imbalance in your body, that anything can just, get inside you. So best is to keep our doshas in a healthy state so no infection can happen. Most effective is to follow Dinacharya and Ritucharya. Remember, if you if you know Dinacharya and Ritucharya, so we all know that it is according nature is going this way, we are going this way, we will be healthy, right? Nature is going that way and we want to go this way. No, this is very strong. We are just like not even like an ant. We are not even like an ant, right? We maybe even not compare ourselves to a speck of dust. We cannot. We are so tiny in front of this whole nature and the world, right? So we just cannot fight, shining with us. Pitta will be high in the and in our bodies too, right? So we have to take advantage of that situation in the nature, right? So in Ayurveda, we say that if we respect nature, if we follow the Dinacharya, we make our habits, we make a routine, right? So the day will not consume us, because most of the time we are just like, we are shocked with the things. We do not have a structured targets, structured approach, right? We are just like, taken by surprise with everything. So that is not a good idea. If we keep a routine, so our body will not be in a shock every time. It will be knowing that this is the time and I need to do this. So it will not come as a task to you. It will come as a very good, naturally it will come to you. So the good practices, good habits will come very, very naturally if you follow Charya and Ritucharya. Same like you remember for the brushing your teeth, most of the times it is a ritual. We do not have to force ourselves. We just want to brush. That's it. Even if it is a cold water, even if it is a warm water, because that becomes a habit, right? It does not shock us every time that, oh my God, I have to get up and brush, right? So same way, if we make good habits in a routine, so it will not be coming as a shock, and we will be, in the routine very easily, and our body will be, doshas will be very balanced and happy. They will not be fighting for survival or fighting for, how to sustain themselves, right? So this kind of fight inside your body will stop. If not Ayurveda students, so if, yeah, but you all are Ayurveda, so you know Dinacharya and Ritucharya, right? So routine makes our immune system work stronger and healthy. Nature has powerful ways of staying healthy following circadian rhythm. Now everybody knows. Even the modern doctors, they also started knowing this thing, right? That if you do not respect the circadian nature, the movement of the sun, the movement of the nature, your hormones are not going to respect you. You talk about any obesity things, or you talk about any degenerative condition, diabetes, hypertension. So they slowly now started understanding that it is not about food, about exercises. It is about your hormones, how your hormones respond, and your hormones respond sun, right? So we need to follow the circadian watch, because there is a time when naturally our hormones secrete. Very nicely they secrete, right? But sometimes when we make our routine bad, so body is in a shock. What to, if it is time to get up or not, if it is time to give you good hormones or not, right? So in nutshell, if we follow Ayurvedic routine, Dinacharya, Ritucharya, respect the nature, our dosha will be in a healthier situation and we will be more healthy.